Couple of these guys, and then we're going to call it good. Starting here. When you see a minus and you're combining logs, it's really dividing the argument. So if I'm just looking at this parentheses here, I've got log of 27 over 3, and that really becomes log of 9. Okay? So then I've got this 2 thing out in front, but if I move it to there as I should, I've got log of 6 squared minus log of 9, and it's starting to kind of come together here. Well, 6 squared is 36. And again, another minus means we're doing another divided by. So I can rewrite this as log of 36 over 9. Well, 36 over 9 happens to be 4. So this simplifies to become log of 4. That's condensing, taking multiple logarithms, creating a single logarithm. You do the same with the rest of these. A plus, by the way, means multiply. So you can get to that here in a second. Here we've got a single logarithm that we want to expand. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different variables, so we should end up with 4 different logarithms. Okay, some are on top, some are on the bottom. You're going to take the log of x, and instead of saying it's to the 4th power, which it says here, we're going to take that 4 and we're going to move it out in front. So it's technically 4 times the log of x. That's a multiply. If we're expanding, we're separating, and separating by positive. So this becomes 3 log y. But now these two guys are on the bottom. So it's just a w to the 1st power, so I'm saying minus log w. Now as we saw up here in parentheses, I can take this whole denominator and put it in parentheses, or I can say, well, this is also on the denominator. So I can just call it minus 2 log z. So that's how I would do it. You could also kind of just say minus, and then it would be a log w plus 2 log z. If that's the case, then you're saying this is a plus because they're multiplied together, but it's a minus out in front because they're both on the bottom. Or you're looking at it as a minus minus. And the last logarithm problem here, you've got log base 3 of x equals negative 2. You do the rewrite, this to the power of that equals the other. So 3 to the negative 2nd power is equal to x. Negative power means flip it. Square means 9. So the answer becomes 1 over 3 squared, or 1 over 9. Boom.